This is the Week 4 update for the Belleville Downtown Water Main Replacement Project. I think the project is going exceedingly well. If you're down on Main Street and you're walking around, you'll see that a lot of the pavement's been cut open, the water main's been laid, there's rock placed back in the trenches. Loki's doing a fantastic job on this project.
I think we're on schedule, no big hiccups. We've got 3 of the mains tied in. We're on our last road. We have one more tie-in on Washington Street. Should be done with it on Saturday. And then after that, we're gonna start pressure testing, get the main pressure tested and chlorinated.
We're at the critical stage as far as traffic control goes. The city of Belleville has one-way streets going all around. So right now we're at Washington, where we had to turn a one-way street into a two-way street. But we get past this point and it should be going a lot faster here once we get all the valves in.
One point I'd like to bring up is the flexibility that the contractor has shown in trying to accommodate the business owners down here. They were concerned about the lack of parking on East Main. Since then, we've managed to open East Main back up. Loki's done a great job making it accessible for everybody. That includes keeping crosswalks open.
People tend to avoid construction zones, but I just want everybody to know that the sidewalks are open, crosswalks are open, businesses are open down here. So make it a point to come into the construction zone to visit these businesses. They'll appreciate it.
In the next week, we're looking at making the connections, getting the valves in place, doing pressure testing to make sure that everything is in place and watertight, and then moving on to disinfection and flushing of the system. So next week will be a big week for the project.